Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Nobilistic. This is just a quick video, and I'll just explain to you guys how to download the Ares client because some of you guys were having some problems. So yeah, I'll just quickly resolve those. So first you'll go to aresclient.com/download. Then you'll see here stable version. You want to download that. It'll redirect you to here and just download it. But I've already downloaded it, so I don't really. Okay, I'll just download it again, no problem. Okay, it's taking some time. Why does it take so much time? Okay, there's a few seconds left. Come on. Okay, so if you're on Windows, then I think you extract the file, but that doesn't work on Mac. So I'll just open it. So I'm basically extracting it into a folder from zip to folder. So that is happening. Now it will become okay. Yeah. So now I'll just put this in the desktop real quick. Oh, great. So now we see we have this thing called Ares. So now we'll open T-Launcher, right? If you're doing this on the actual Minecraft, then you don't have to do all this. It'll just appear automatically. But yeah. So then you'll go to the folder, this folder sign, and then you'll see somewhere there'll be versions, libraries, logs, mod, resource pack, runtime, save, screenshot, server, and yeah, versions. I'll just open that. Now you see here all the versions that I have. So now you'll drag this and put it in here. But you see I already have it. See, I have it in. Now I'll just close it, and then you'll press this thing, and then you'll select release. Release Ares client. And then you'll just enter the game. Okay, this might take a while. Okay, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and like the video. And like this Ares client, it has a lot of mods, so I'll also show you how to do that. Well, yeah. Oh, it's taking so much time. Now you can skip the video at this point. This might take a while. Okay, there we go. Okay, please come up quick. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now I'll be showing you how to, set your skin, all the cosmetics, scapes, and all the mods. Mods is the most important thing. Okay, so now that we're in, we'll just go to the server real quick. Oh my god. Okay, it's this one. Come on, load up quick. Why is it taking so much time? I don't get it. Just 1 minute, it's taking so much time. Never mind. Let's just join this server. Okay, so just because I have everything set up, it looks like this. But like, wait 1 minute. When you first open Ares client, then it will be looking like all this. You see, it looks so like clumsy and everything, right? So now we will fix that. So now you just go to, wait, I'll just full screen it. As you can see, there's so many mods on the screen, and I don't think everybody wants that. So now we'll just go to Ares client, Ares settings, mod toggles. Now we can just off everything. Just off everything real quick. Now that we have offed everything and turned off everything, so now we can on things that we want. So say I want keystrokes and I want my FPS. If you want, you can also do all these, but I don't. So yeah, now, and if you don't like where the mods are placed, you can just mod positions, and yeah, now you can move everything. And now for the skin, you go to Ares settings, skins, and then you want to press on skin changer on so that you can actually change your skin. Then yeah, now you can basically just change it, right? Wait 1 minute. I don't like that. Okay, that's good. Okay, yeah, and then same for capes. So yeah, that's basically how to do it, right? Yeah, so thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.